Hello everyone, and this is Bea de la Fuente, and welcome to the last part of the vlog entitled The Proper Lip Preparation and Lipstick Application. So to all my subscribers, thank you guys for all your continued support on my videos, and please continue to throw all your requests on the topics that you want me to feature on my channel. So last night guys, we did the first part of our tutorial, which is the lip preparation, wherein I showed you guys the step-by-step and how you will take care of your lips in order to prepare your lips for the better lipstick application. I put up also the link if you don't have those ingredients for the scrubbing under this video. So I put up all of those links so that in any way guys that you would know where to get it, and it will be easier for you where to obtain all of those ingredients. So just check link, and I featured there that concentrated coconut oil as well, and those alternative oils that you may use for the scrubbing like the jojoba oil. All of this information guys, you will be able to find it under my video on those links. If you are interested with the moisturizing skin whitening as well, which is the Glutamax that I've been using for more than 15 years, and it makes your skin look brighter and it makes your tone even. The link is also there, and you can also buy it through my link down the description of this video. So before we start guys, we have to make sure that we have all our items ready, and we make sure that we wash our hands properly before we proceed. Moving on guys, I always recommend using a lip brush because number one, the color of your lipstick will be more layered. The lip brush can well outline the lip shade and can handle the small details of the lip corners. So the lip brush also can help to adjust the lip if you want to make your lips wider or narrower. Using the lip brush will also lessen your lipstick consumption so you can conserve it properly. So because what you do is you just layer your lips smoothly, one layer after the other, just like doing a multiple thin layers in your painting. I find the lip brush is very useful, especially if you're gonna be using darker shades of lipstick like the shades of cocoa, shades of chocolate. So there's one guys that is my favorite in Urban Decay, and it's the Pandemonium. It's really a dark purple. So I never used that kind of tone before, but when I used it, I really liked it. It's just because the magic of the lip liner made it, and because of the even distribution of the color. So it's not made up. You have just to make it a natural look in order to look nice. Of course, you don't want to look like somebody who just being painted by the famous painter. You just have, painting around your lips and you have line there around your lips, so you don't want to do that. Without further ado guys, let's start. So I will be using the 3 shades of Vice lipsticks from Urban Decay. I'm gonna start with a narrow shade, which I'm gonna be using the Big Bang color, and this is the one. So it has the shade of like a pinkish color from Urban Decay, and the same color of the lip liner. In order to make that wider lip contour look, I'm gonna mix it with another tone of Vice lipstick, and that is the F-Bomb color, and it comes in a reddish shade like this, and it's from Urban Decay as well. There. And the lip liner is the same color. Plus, I'm gonna make it again. To finish it all, I'm gonna mix it with the last color that I have for today, which is the Bad Blood. I like using those Vice lipsticks from Urban Decay because to be the overall best lipstick of 2019. Just make sure guys that when you choose your lipstick brand, make sure to test it first on your hand by applying a portion of it on the sides of your hand, because some lipsticks contents can cause allergy. What I do is to just dab it a little bit here and try it and keep it for around 10 to 15 minutes and make sure that you're not allergic to it. Before we put on our lipstick and I proceed with the tutorial on how to done properly your lipstick, I usually apply a lip conditioner And I use Avon lip conditioner. I like this lipstick because it extends the moisture of my lips throughout the day and prevents the smoothness and firmness of the quality of your lips. Most importantly, it has the SPF 15. So this is the lipstick, guys. It's from Avon. Without further ado, before we start our tutorial on lipstick, I'm gonna put this one now. You can also use a lip liner if you wish to, but this is a conditioner, so you want to make sure that all your lips, the outline of your lips are fully covered. And there you go, guys. So we're gonna proceed now on the rest of the tutorial, guys. So the first thing that I want to do is to make my lips narrow. And I'll be using the same brand of lipstick, and it's a Vice lipstick from Urban Decay. So the color of the lipstick and the lip liner is called the Big Bang, and here it is. And it's on the pinkish shade. You can see that, and this is the lip liner. How will I make my lips look narrow? I will apply the lipstick to just the inside of the corners of my lips, and here's how I'm gonna do it. Now guys, it's not yet done because we want to put on a much natural look. And how do we do this? So we're gonna tap our lip liner on the corners of the lips with our ring finger. I'm gonna use it, but make sure guys that you do your proper hand washing before you do it to avoid any bacterial or viral infections as well. There you go, guys. Now, what we have to do is to buy a Kleenex because we want to have a much natural look in order to soften the sharp edges of the contour. And what I do usually, guys, is just I blot it like this. I put it on top of my lips. And there you go. So this finishes our narrow contour of lip line. Next, I want to make my lips wider, and I will be mixing this color, the Big Bang, with my other shade of Vice lipstick. My lipstick and the lip liner have the same shade, and this is called the F-Bomb. F-Bomb, guys, yes. It is, and it's in the reddish shade. Sometimes, guys, you have to play, your lipstick colors because sometimes it's very rare to have a unique color in the stores. So if you're gonna be doing your, the play of colors and mix them, you will have a nice color tone. So like this one, I'm gonna try to mix my Big Bang with this one. And same color of the lip liner. In order to achieve that wider lip line, is to apply the lip liner along in the natural lip the same way, but we have to extend it just past the corners of the lips, and I will be extending it in the central part also of my lower lip to give it a little pout. So guys, this is a wider contour of lip lining, and you can see the difference from that. So I lined it a little bit outside my natural lip line, and I just extended it a little bit and a little pout on the lower lip, which I did by lining it a little bit outside from the natural line. What do you think, guys? And the same way as to make our natural look, so we're gonna dab the lip liner or the lip liner in the corners of our lips with our ring finger. You have to be careful not to smudge it. And there you go, guys. Now what I'm gonna do is to bite the Kleenex in order to give it a much softer texture. And I just blot it again. And there you go. So this is a natural, wider contoured lipstick. The next, guys, that I want to do is to make my lips fuller. And how will I achieve to have a fuller lips? So what you have to do, guys, is to just line your lip liner just a little bit outside of your natural lip lines in order to maintain that fuller look. And I will be mixing it with my other shade of Vice lipstick with this tone that I have with another color, and this time it's called Bad Blood. Here, darker red color, also by Urban Decay. I'm gonna be using the same color of lip liner, and here's gonna be how we do it. So what we're gonna do, guys, is to line it past the corners of your natural line, and you have to extend it as well on outer lip line of your lips, just to make it more drama. So guys, this is a fuller lip contour, and how to do it again, guys, I just went and applied the lip liner just a little bit outside of my natural lip line, and I stayed on that line for the entire lips as well. So this is how I did it. So this is what you call the Marilyn Monroe effect or the Angelina Jolie effect, because they have a much fuller lips. So actually, guys, you don't need to have a surgery or a Botox on your lips in order to get that fuller lips look. Just if you know how to contour your lips and you know what colors that's gonna be complementing you, then you're good to go. So this is it, guys. How do you like it? So ladies, this ends our tutorial on the proper lip line preparation and lipstick application. Please don't forget to click a thumbs up if you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Buzzing Bee. And until the next vlog, I hope that you beautiful people will always remember the famous poet Kahlil Gibran said that the beauty is not in the face, but it's in the light of the heart. So take care, guys, and bye for now.